Hello all. Today I am going to discuss about some complicated figures. If they ask you to find how many squares in the given diagram. Okay, here in this case, see this one, it is how many squares are there in this diagram. You have to check it. You have to count and tell that, right? Within 5 seconds or 6 seconds you want to do this question, means how you can handle the questions first of all. So elaborately, if you want to get the full information, means, right, you have to see the video fully, then only you will be getting one by one step. Okay guys, yeah. First will be small triangle, first small square. Small square if I take 1, 2. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I right? Small means automatically you will be telling. How I am getting means, listen here. This is square. Again this is square. Again this is square. Square in sense what it is, like a 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, this way I am telling. Okay, again this is 4 cross 4 I am making. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fine. So this is how many here? 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 cross 2 matrix. Matrix in sense it is like arrangement, 2 cross 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many rows and how many columns? Rows and columns are same, then that is a square, right? How many rows are there? 1, 2. How many columns are there? 1, 2. So it is 2 cross 2. Here, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. Then that is 3 cross 3, that is also square. This I am telling type 1. Here again 4 cross 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the all cases, I am going to apply very same method here. Now listen here. Any row or any column you take it guys. 1. 1 is there, right? 1 square plus 2 square. If you do 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, the answer is 5. So here in this case 5 squares are there. I just squares, I just add and square and I have done addition, right? So 1 square plus 2 square gives 5. Here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. What happened? 1 plus 4 plus 9. How much it is? 14. 14 squares are there here. So here in this case 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. How many are there? Here 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16. That is the answer is 30. 30 triangle square, 30 squares are there. Okay, easy na? So any row or any column you just take it, then you will be having 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. You just add up, you will be getting total number of squares in this. Okay, this is type 1 guys. In sense you have to, you will be getting same rows and same column, means it's a type 1. And second type is what? You know that, right? The same row and different column. Okay, the rows and the columns will be different numbers. That is second type. Yeah. Second type I will tell you guys. Second type is a bit different only here. But listen carefully, you will be getting very easily. It's type 2. In this type 2, here 1, 2, 3, right. So here in this row, how many rows are there ma? 1, 2, 3, 3 rows are there. How many columns are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly, it is 3 cross 4 is a rectangular. It is not type 1, that is. It is not type 1, right? So this is a second type. So rows and columns are different. So what I am doing, you just listen carefully. Okay, 3 cross 4. Okay, equal to how much ma? 12. 3 cross 4 is 12. Then you just minus 1 you do. 2 cross 3 is 6. 1 cross 2, that is 2. Until you will be getting 1 here in row or column, you stop there itself. So what I am telling, again I am telling, you just minus 1, you can do both the rows and columns. Okay, this row, this is a column. The minus 1 you do, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6. Again 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 into 2 is 2. So where you have to stop means anywhere, row and column, anywhere you have to get 1. Until that you have to continue the process, right? So I stop here. So how much it will be? 10, it is 20. So 20 squares are there in this diagram. 20 squares are there. Okay. So now this question you can do it very easily now. Type 2. Type 2 is better, right? Type 2 is easy. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here in this, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Exactly, it is the rectangular format. So it is a 4 cross 6 it is there. So I can write first of all 4 rows and 6 columns. 24. You can write 6 into 4 also, no issues in this, right? Until you have to get any one of the row or any one of the column. Now here, let's check it. So 3 into 5. Subtract with 1, right? So subtraction with 1, subtraction with 1. So 15. 2 into 4, 8. 1 into 3, 3. So I have to stop because I got 1. That's it, over. Then you have to add everything. So 24 plus 15 plus 8, 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3. So here, what I am getting here? 50. So 50 squares are there. Guys, you understand? So if you count like this, 50 squares will be. See, normally if you count, it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 only you will be getting. Inside it will be there. That you have to check. This, again this, again this. So inside also many squares are hiding. That also you have to count it, right? That is the formula I have used here. Okay. So whenever counting some squares is a chance of missing. That is what you get rid of this type of situations. So if you do like this method, you will be getting a good answer. The correct answer it should be. Okay. Type 3. Type 3 is this way. Inside one square, again one inside one square, again one inside one square. This way it is. Okay, the first type only you take it. This is the first small square, first of all you take it, yeah. Okay, so this is 1, 2. What you will do? 1 square plus 2 square. 1 square plus 2 square is 4 plus 1 is 5. Again this take it at. This square you take it. 1 again 2. Again 1 square plus 2 square is again 5. This square again 1, 2. 1 square plus 2 square is 5. Totally 15 square it should be. Okay. So 3 types we have seen, yeah. That's it, over, right? So you got it now. How many? It will be 3 types we have seen. Mostly you can do these problems and all in the competitive exams. Okay. Then what I am telling here it is for in schools and all they will be having some entrance exam. Okay. They will check you logical thinking, reasonings and all. These types of problems and all now they have started to giving. So children's and who is going to attend some competitive exams. So these types will be very, very useful to you guys. Yes, thank you.